Miss Lideholt here, and I'm here to practice writing some number sentences. We've been talking about number sentences for a little bit, and it's always good to practice. We want to get really great at doing things like number sentences because that will help us with math, and we're going to be great mathematicians. So let's work on those. The way we've been working on them is we have been drawing kind of like we drew a square today. Has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we were putting little objects on the outside to kind of start by thinking about taking the number apart. So decomposing, which means putting numbers in groups, breaking numbers into groups can kind of help you with addition. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. Oh, I only have 3, and I wanted to put 4. So how could I make it 4? Let's see, if I have 3, how many more to make it 4? You got it. 3 and 1 more makes 4. Can you say that? 3 and 1 more makes 4. You can even do it on your fingers. You can say 3 and 1 more makes 4. You got it. Good for you. So that is the way that we talk about a number sentence. I can do that with these little stumps. I forgot what they were called. So if I have 3, 1, 2, 3, I have 3, and then if I add 1 more, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 1 more makes 4. We've been practicing that with our cubes too. So how could we write that as a number sentence? Do you remember? So you start with the first number you said, 3. So 3, backwards C, that is how you make a 3. So 3 and, when we say and when we're writing a number sentence, that means we're going to make a plus. And is like you're adding some, and when we add, we make a plus. Plus 3 plus 1 more. That's the 1. Makes, if you're saying makes or is the same as, you can write an equal symbol. So 3, and that's the plus, which means you add more, plus 1. Equals means what happens, what is it the same as, what does it make, and what does it make, guys? 3 plus 1 more makes 4. You got it. That is our 4. So we can read this a few ways. You can say 3 and 1 more makes 4. Or 3 and 1 is the same as 4. Or you could say 3 plus 1 equals 4. And that's our number sentence. That's addition. So excellent, excellent work. Let's see. Let's try writing it a little different. How else could we break up 4? Let's see. If I have this stack of 4 and I want to hold it in 2 hands, I could put 2 in one hand and 2 in the other hand. 4 is the same as 2 and 2, or 2 and 2 is the same as 4 when you put it together, or take it apart, yeah. Let's see, so let's write 2 and 2 make 4. How could we write that? Let's try it. 2, remember when you say and, in a number sentence we write plus 2 and 2. 2 and 2, that means 2 plus 2 when you put 2 and 2 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write equals, that means it's the same as, that's what it makes, and we write 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4, or 2 and 2 make 4. 2 and 2 is the same as 4. Awesome job. So that's another number sentence. Now sometimes people like to write it a little bit backwards, and that's okay, it still means the same thing. So when you see this, if you ever see 4 equals 2 plus 2, that's okay. I know it looks a little backwards, but that's just telling you that 4 is the same as 2 plus 2. So it can go either way. It can go 2 plus 2 equals 4, or 4 is the same as 2 plus 2, but we always read left to right. So 4 is the same as 2 plus 2. 4 equals 2 plus 2. And I know that looks backwards if you've been practicing the other way. But what that's basically saying is your 4 like this if you break it in half, there's still 4. So 4 is the same as 2 plus 2. Yeah, so if you ever see it that way, don't let it trick you. It's still the same. Great job practicing number sentences. We've been working up to 4 until now. We're probably going to move on to 5, and then we'll keep working with it. But you guys have done so well. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing. Have a great day, mathematicians. See you later.